going there.
So this is a phosphate, whatever that is.
I did not know this until I met Sunday.
Looks like a Sprite.
Can I taste it?
Sun used to be a Native American teacher that would like specialize in helping Native American kids to get to
This is just a vanilla shake.
and I mostly did math with him, and he was really good at it. And it was like for living and everything. So then, like, it was the Wednesday, so I was waiting to Peter after.
It's good.
That's rich. Pick your song, guys.
Do it again, do it again. We're going to see the whale now. It kind of is winning right now.
It is winning.
It's fucking beautiful and it has so much history in comparison.
Whatever. Gray whale.
Gray whale.
This is a lot of food.
I'm buying Ridge Rush to have on the ridge for my Ridge Rush. Keith is buying corn tortilla. We're going up Mount Angeles tomorrow. Okay.
Each cup here is 14 grams.
Oh, okay, so they're just smaller.
They're just small.
We're just trying to buy me some glasses right now. Keith says no comment. What do you think?
I think you're very fast.
These are these ones?
Stop it. Get some help.
So we might have a problem here.
Started gambling.
This is in the middle of Walmart, and here's Charlotte Ford.
We're on our third go. My name's Charlotte, and I'm gonna teach you how to make hotel room margarita. First off, you're gonna take some ice bucket. You're gonna fill it with ice. Step 1 done. We take 2 of the disposable cups. You fill them halfway full with ice. Then you give a little shake. Yeah. Pour that shit right up.
Let's see, we're cooking.
Marg on the rocks for you, sir.
Ah, sí, gracias.
And that, my friends, is how you make an ocean in Marg. This is what I'm bringing. Snow pants, shell, gloves, snacks, first aid kit, water bladder, headlamp. Go in the front pocket.
Oh, this backpack is so small.
It is very small.
Play it. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And camping is hard but not impossible.
What are we doing? Oh, we putting snow The wind is chilly.
Put those to the boy gators on.
We're at the ridge.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Your eyes wide open.
We're somewhere. We've gone somewhere. We came from over there. I'm so ready to make a snow angel. Just call it a day. Have a snow nap. Hey vlog. We're at the road now. Keith is hustling with his 45 liter or whatnot. I got my Teton 15.
Fuck you and your Teton 15.
We had to go to the road to try and make it back to the car so we don't get locked in this fucking gate. Oh, my goose is too good to me. Wow, that hike was so easy.
Easy, you say?
Have a little ridge brush. Supports digestive health.
That's not bad. Lake Crescent.
We're heading to Lake Crescent now.
It's right there, that's the lake.
Oh,
It's long.
this is Lake Crescent.
Yeah.
First reaction. Oh, it's big.
It's very blue.
I like how blue it is. They were lying about the blue.
Going to
we're at
Marymere
this
Falls.
Storm Ranger
Storm
station.
King Ranger Station.
Yeah, we've impulsively
There's a
decided
big
to
tree.
hike to Marymere Falls.
There's a fishing pier.
Tree? Fishing pier? We're trying to hit this 1.5 mile loop. They said it'd take an hour and 45 minutes. What do you think?
45 minutes max.
I think we can do it. Look at him! He's so green and furry. There's so many cool trees here. Oh, I see. They said,
Caught
pay
on
attention,
camera.
bitch.
Oh, he's seen things. Yeah.
He's so sensitive, right? He's so understanding. We got a noise complaint last night because
Gonna
he
kill
kept
us.
stomping. Here you can see the bottom. And we're gonna dunk our toes. I won't take a video of Keith's feet, but we're hitting the feet.
She's gonna sell it. If they let me.
I don't think he's gonna let you.